Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody guys, let's take a look again on Forex markets, in particular in euro currency. So here's price action, well, in a row with the things that we talked about in our updates and report. On the daily chart, finally, market has hit the COP on the monthly charts, what has happened recently, yesterday. The COP target finally has been met. Unfortunately, or just fortunately, but market hasn't reached the weekly extension as 120.25 level that we discussed, so it's just parallel has not been tested this level. This market turns down somewhere from the 20.06 area. But anyway, this is minor detail. It's not necessary that market definitely will proceed higher to test this level, because the COP is the major one that we have on the monthly, and market currently could turn to the retracement. At least we have some short-term bearish background on the daily chart on the euro. As you can see, the testing of the major COP has led to appearing of the bearish grabber here. So of course some kind of the wash and rinse, bullish dynamic pressure that was forming here now is done, because market has created the new top, as we said. We have talked about this, and now take a look, market has formed the grabber. Grabber itself suggests that market should drop at least below these recent lows. It means that here we could count on at least on the 30% pullback, probably somewhere to the 1670, 1680 area. So that's what this minimal setup tells us. On the intraday charts, you also could see on the top the reversal session, reversal candles turning down. Our divergence is working, and actual divergence suggests the same thing. Market should create the new low compared to this previous one levels. It means that if you would like to take the part in this journey, you could consider take a look at the hourly chart. Market right now is struggling with the support in 119. If any pullback here will happen, you could consider possible taking of the short position against this top. Just watch for levels, maybe some patterns will be formed, maybe some garter steeple to sell. Market will form something of that sort. On the Great British Pound, we have the similar situation. If you remember, we talked yesterday about this XOP target. It's also XOP on the daily chart from this A, B, C bottom patterns. The same XOP. I do not know whether we have to here the grabber, because on the euro we have. Here no. Here we do not have any grabbers, but on the follow time frame chart we have pretty nice bearish engulfing pattern, which suggests approximately the same. It suggests that downside action equals to the length of the bar, so any retracement will happen here. That's probably a short-term stop to possess yourself with A, B, C top, some D pattern at least. Maybe downward action could be stronger, because as euro suggests dropping below the recent lows, so on the cable the drop also could be more significant. Previously we said that we're considering this cable could hit 136 area. Actually we have the OP, it's 136.70. Currently it makes sense to treat this as a retracement by far, because target still stands on the table and the pullback in general is not very significant. Now is major concern is whether this retracement could turn to the real reversal. Some chance exists for that, but currently we do not see significant background, fundamentally. So starting of the drop deeply to the 120 areas we suggest with our fundamental view, it needs some background. Currently we do not have it, and that's why it makes sense to treat it by far as a retracement. So that being said, if you're searching chance to make the fast trade in your bearish view, you could consider either on the cable selling with this engulfing pattern, or you could consider it on the euro with this grabber. Approximately the background of the setups mostly the same. Well, very similar to this we have on the gold, but that we discuss in the next video on this gold market.